loading video. So this is the basic tag, which includes the starting tag and the ending tag. Then we will have some content which will show if the browser doesn't support the video tag. So we will just call it like browser does not support the video. Okay, so now the video tag will have the source src attribute as well. So the src attribute, for that I have downloaded two different files for the video. One is the mp4 and other was in the webm format. So now let's load the mp4 format. So let's see on the browser what it has. It has the whole video thing, but it is currently not playing because we don't have a controller, just like the audio. So let's add the controls, and also let's like add the height and width for this one. Wait, let's let the width as 60 or 600 or 600 pixel.